Yo, what's up guys, Sugar here, welcome back to another video guys. Today, this is how I lost $311 day trading the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq today. And yeah, let's go to the daily bias. So first of all, we go to the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, we see a mega bearish S&P right on market open, as you can see right here. So this for me was very simply, as you guys can see, like this super bearish S&P, this 4 hour bearish SMT formed. So my bias, not only that was bearish, but not only that, on the 1 hour we have so we'll see on Nasdaq, because it's the index we are trading, we have all this low time frame, low resistance liquidity all the way up to Asian session lows. What happened was we go to 5 minutes, and yeah, just market opens, we created this mega bearish SMT also with that big 1 hour 4 hour bearish SMT. So we have 5 minute bearish SMT fall with 5 minute fall, yeah, the 4 hour bearish SMT fall with 5 minute bearish SMT. But today we have news at 10, so that's really what was holding me up to trade, so I had to wait. So if there was no news, again, I'll be on 1 minute, because we have bearish SMT on top of bearish SMT. So again, pretty similar to what we had the previous days. So yeah, we go to the 1 minute, we see a 1 minute parallel gap getting filled. We have reaction of that, boom, reaction of that. You can enter on strong reaction of that, which was what I would have entered, but you could have just entered on this candle reaction, which have given you a mega risk to reward ratio, and then take profit one at these lows. This is already like a 1 to 3, yeah, 1 to 2.8. Then on these relative equal lows, take profit 2, 1.4, and then on these Asian session lows right here, boom, take profit 4, and final take profit, giving you a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. But this is not the trade that I took, because after the news, which was at 10, so if you go to see 10 right here, boom, this is 10. We did not sweep them, these long session lows on Nasdaq, but we did sweep them on the S&P 500. So we are actually in the making of what I thought was a bullish S&P, which was formed, but then after that there was really nothing really. So my bias was correct at start, and then the prices moved down and there was no entry. I was waiting for the news to come out. News comes out to create a bullish S&P out of these long session lows, which right here, you know, this long session lows creates a bullish S&P. So we are trading the lagging index, S&P 500. We go to the 1 minute after that. Not only we create a bullish S&P, we also create a bullish S&P on top of bullish S&P while filling 5 minute equilibrium right here on these lows up to these highs. So creating 5 minute equilibrium, and then also forming another bullish S&P on these lows. As we see right here, we sweep out these lows. We do not sweep them on the S&P 500. So I'm going to waiting for a break of structure on inverse level gap just to enter the trade. We got a break of structure right here, boom, enter on that. Stop loss below these 1 minute lows, which were actually triple minute lows. So we have these 1 minute lows, follow this 1 minute lows, also this 1 minute lows. So really, it's not a good place to put your stop loss on 3 minute equal lows, and that's exactly what happened. Just should have been more patient right here, waited a little bit more for the really things to unfold, you know. Just like I should have seen this entry and see like 3 equal lows, it's not a good idea, let's wait. And then I would have waited for another break of structure, no break of structure here, no break of structure here, no break of structure here, no break of structure, and then the price just invalidates completely the bearish SMT, the bullish SMT on Nasdaq right here. So one low, of course not both, but that will be enough for me to say okay, I'm out. And that's basically it for the day. There was really not much, nothing. That this is yeah, quite unfortunate, but it is what it is. Again, just what I have to do is backtest more, you know. And yeah, I've been doing this is quite a wake up call, because I haven't been backtesting as hard as I've used to. And then again, we are hitting already low session lows. So yeah, Asian session lows. So yeah, on the 5 minute, if you wanted to get technical with it, there was I'll show it on Nasdaq, but there was a 5 minute entry into 5 minute favor gap. So right here, this 5 minute favor gap, and I was considering it honestly, but just because we are creating that bullish S&P, I was kind of like, will it make it though? Well, then you'll have entered probably on this 5 minute structure. Very shit risk to reward ratio trade, to be honest. Yeah, not worth it. So yeah, but that was really all the way today. So yeah, unfortunately there was news, and this is actually after news. So yeah, unfortunately there was news, and again this bearish S&P this bullish S&P forming as well, which gave me the bullish bias afterwards, but it is what it is, really. And yeah, need to be more careful with that, be more patient, because again, if I was more patient right here and just didn't place this stupid ass trade, I wouldn't have been too bad. But yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, we're looking forward for tomorrow. Tomorrow we actually have more news, so then we have FOMC at 7, so yeah, it's going to be crazy. But on the market open we have these news, but are not high impact, so I'm actually okay with trading that. So yeah, it is what it is. Hopefully tomorrow is a better day than today. Just an unlucky day. Learn from it, of course. Be more patient. Wait a little bit more, and then yeah, let's backtest more as well, because I haven't been backtesting as hard as I should have, and that's on me. And then I also have been doing some really tough months backtesting. Like I've done April 2021, I've done January 2021, and April is actually a very quite tough month, and that really brought my confidence down. So yeah, today I was not as confident as what I should have been, but we are going to build that confidence back up with some backtesting again. So I'm doing April again with more patience. Let's see if it goes better, and then let's see the rest of it and how things really go. But yeah, it is what it is. Today, not a bad day again. Just no, unfortunate there was no entry, but good price action. Just unfortunate of the news. If there was no news, there would have been a trade, and it will be again a good one, honestly. But yeah, it is what it is, and it is what it is. So yeah, see you guys on the next one, and yeah, bye bye guys.